So I want to do an unboxing for an item that I got off of eBay. So all I did was open the box. I haven't really looked inside, so I just opened the top of the box. So it has some paper at the top. So it's supposed to be a Michael Kors cosmetic case along with the mirror. And she included a little card. Oh, this is so cute. So I'll look at this later, but that's really cute. So so it comes in this little case. So I wanted a cosmetic case to put into this new bag that I have. So this box is actually really cute. Ooh, okay, so this is a cosmetic case. It is kind of small, but I knew that going in that it was pretty small. Okay, so it's attached with this little cord. I'm not going to take it off just yet. I don't know if you can see it, but it's attached with the cord, so it's not coming right out. So this is a cosmetic case. It was new, never used. As you can see, Michael Kors, and I did want the brown coated canvas. I did want that. And as you can see, I think I just popped it off. The pull on it is like a little heart with a little gold chain. So this is a case. So it does still have the tag on it, which is nice. Let's open it up really quick, see what it looks like. See if I can't do this with one hand. Let's try to see. Can't just open up really quick to see what we have. So of course it's stuffed. Okay, and it comes with the care card. Comes with the care card, and it's just stuffed with some paper. Let's take the paper out. Apologize for the noise. So it has the typical Michael Kors lining, wipeable fabric. It has like a little pocket here. I plan on putting like little, you know, any feminine products in here, as well as if I have any little medicine to keep in my purse. So it is small, but I knew that going in, but the purse I have is pretty small. Do it up close on the pull. So I didn't need anything really large. And it also came with a mirror, which I thought was pretty cute. Michael Kors. Michael Kors. There's a few scratches on it though. I know for a fact these mirrors scratch easily, but it's like, man, if it's never been used before, why is it scratched up? So that's kind of annoying. But yes, so it is a mirror. So that's kind of annoying. The fact that it's all scratched up. It may have been scratched up in store. That may be how they received it, but I just wish they would have put a note of, hey, it's kind of scratched, but I received it like that. But yeah, so this is the case. I mainly got it for this, like I said, just to put some feminine products. If I want to throw like some medicine, a lipstick in here, I could. Just something small. And it came in this little box. I think this is really cute if I want to give this as a gift to someone. Let's see what the list price is. Oh, it doesn't say. So it's really cute if I want to give it as a gift to someone. Just want to do a quick unboxing. If you have any questions, you can leave them below.